Okay, chickens, it's okay.
What the hell are you gonna do with it?
Thank you, big chicken. He sounds retarded, doesn't he?
Which one is it doing the growing?
This one closest to me.
It's got a big old rooster thing.
Mm-hmm. Say it for us again, buddy. Crow for us again, boy. Crow for us, buddy.
They're not really meant to be alive right now.
Dropping the wing. I'm dominant. I am dominant. Yes, yes, I'm a big chicken. What, buddy? Oh, so big. I think it's the bug, yeah. That cicada Stephen dug up. Where's my doggy?
That one's bigger than that one.
Yeah.
That's how much his goddamn fingernails big as mine.
Yeah, he does.
That's right shit, right there where I'm gonna fucking dig a hole.
He's gonna sit down in it in a minute. He always craps and sits down in it. Guarantee. The other one will too.
There's some water over there. Go get some water. Come on.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oops.
Come on.
Oops.
Don't come at me like you gonna peck me, buddy. I'll drop kick your ass over that fence.
Oh.
Look at that.
Ooh. Yeah, I think Chicken had enough of that under the little house.
Well, is that the one he was chasing?
Yeah.
Oh, the dog in the park.
Oh
Come
boy.
on, get you some water. Come on.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
We know who's boss now.
I think we do. I do
The
believe.
dog's still gonna fuck with him, you watch.
Mm-hmm.
Sneak up behind him and bite him. Yeah, go get you something to eat.
Puppy, I don't think that's a good idea.
Uh-oh.
Oh crap.
Come here, Lucky. Come here.
Oh crap.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Jakey, come here. Grab him.
Let the rooster beat him up.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Go get his harness.
Okay.
No.